A very good morning and welcome to each and everyone for your English language class. I'm your Shatabdi ma'am and I hope you all had a wonderful time staying at home, taking care of yourself, relaxing and also discovering new things when you stay home. Now, as we are back to studies, I will remind you that we were using the basic English grammar and composition book as our textbook for class 5, and we were doing chapter number 7, that is negative and positive sentences. We finished till page 20 till the last video. Today we will start with page 21, which is a different part altogether but the same chapter. Before we begin, we'll just recap a bit of the previous lesson, which is page number 20. I have the sentences. It's there in your book even. The negative and positive sentences. Okay. So I'll read out the sentences for you. I am enjoying cartoons. Compare the sentences given below. Positive sentence, negative sentence. Number 1, I am enjoying cartoons. I am not enjoying cartoons. So we are adding a not, which is a negative sentence, and we all know that a negative sentence is a negative sentence when we add no, not, none, never. Okay. Number 2, you are working hard. You are not working hard. Number 3, we are doing our homework. Number 3, we are not doing our homework. Number 4, she is baking a cake for me. She is not baking a cake for me. He was taking rest. He was not taking rest. He was flying kites. We were flying kites. We were not flying kites. They are watching television. They are not watching television. So all the sentences, a negative word is added, that is not. Okay. And so we come to the conclusion that these all are negative sentences and these all are positive sentences. So now today we will move on to the next slide, that is the next page, that is page number 21. I think you know this portion. Do, does and did. We'll quickly recap that. That is, we use do with I do. We use do with you do. We use do with they do. We use do with we do. We use does with he does. We use does with she does. And we use did with all of these. We use everything when we use did. We can use anything. And when we use does, the S from the verb drops. Okay? We all remember this. We have done this. If you don't remember, please follow the slides, previous slides and previous videos. You will get it. And I guess you have written in your classwork copy also, which I have given you the rules. So that's the part of the rule which will be followed here also. So let us read this. We use not with do, does and did to change the positive sentence into negative sentence. So what is it all about? Positive sentences. Number 1, I drink apple juice. Negative will be I do not drink apple juice. Why do not? Because I is used with do. He watches films. He is there. So we will use does. So it will be he watches films. So here we are using he watches films. he does not watch films. Now check. He. Here he. So we will be using does. Yes, we used does here. So he does not watch. Now this watches is a verb which changes to watch and the S drops. Okay. Films. They play hockey. They do not play hockey. They do. He knew me well. Knew is the past form. So we will use did. So he did not know me well. Number 5. We played chess yesterday. Played, again a past tense. So we use did. We did not play chess yesterday. Number 6. She eats rice and curry. She does. So it will be she does not eat. And why eat? Because does is there and the S drops from the verb. So she does not eat rice and curry. See the sentence? She does not eat rice and curry. Okay. So we have done the examples which is given in page number 21. This is the example before the exercise. So I would request you to go through these examples once more, and then in the next video we will do the exercise in page number 21. That is number D, that is change the positive sentences given below to negative. Obviously, we will do this with do, does and did. This exercise which we will do in the next video will be with do, does and did. Before that, I would request all of you to revise and read this 6 sentences which are given as examples in your book. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much and stay safe.